this is dorsal digital expansion. So dorsal digital expansion is a fibrous expansion of extensor digitorum tendons on dorsal aspect of the proximal phalanx and the metacarpophalangeal joint of each digit. Its base is formed by the hood over the metacarpophalangeal joint head, and each base angle is anchored with the metacarpal ligaments. There is a fibroareolar ribbon which connects hood to the base of the proximal. This is proximal phalanx. So it is connected to the hood by the fibroareolar ribbons. Now apex is formed close to the distal end of the proximal phalanx. This is the distal end of the proximal phalanx. Here the tendon trifurcates into two lateral and one medial band. The medial band gets inserted, it extends and it gets inserted into the base of the middle phalanx. Whereas the two lateral bands, these are the two lateral bands, they extend and further, and distally they come and unite before they insert into base of the distal phalanx. The attachments of the intrinsic muscles to the dorsal digital expansion are through the tendons. So there are basically two wings, the proximal wing and the distal wing. The proximal wing takes the insertion of the palmar and the dorsal interossei muscle close to the metacarpophalangeal joint. Here the dorsal and the palmar interossei will join the dorsal digital expansion. Whereas in the distal wings, these are formed by the tendons of lumbrical which join the lateral band. These are the lateral band. They are joined by the tendons of the lumbricals close to the proximal interphalangeal joint. This is proximal interphalangeal joint.